Night slowly settles over Earth. Cities grow quiet. Lights dim. Breathing becomes deeper. While humans rest, something extraordinary continues above the sky, unseen yet endlessly alive. The universe never sleeps. It moves gently, patiently, silently, carrying on a rhythm that has existed for billions of years. As you lie still, the planet beneath you rotates calmly, turning night into day somewhere else, while space stretches endlessly beyond the atmosphere, calm and infinite. Above the darkened sky, stars appear one by one, softly glowing like distant lanterns. These stars are not flickering in excitement or urgency. They are simply shining, just as they have for millions or even billions of years. Each star releases light steadily, without rush, without effort, filling the universe with a gentle glow that travels silently through the darkness. Some of that light reaches Earth tonight, touching your eyes, even as you rest. While you sleep, Earth continues its slow rotation, moving at a steady pace through space. There is no sensation of motion, no sound, no disturbance. Gravity holds everything in perfect balance. The planet spins smoothly, cradled by the gravitational embrace of the sun. This motion is so stable and predictable that life can relax into sleep without fear. The universe allows rest. Far beyond Earth, the moon follows its familiar path, orbiting quietly, reflecting soft sunlight into the night. Its motion is calm, ancient, and reliable. Tides rise and fall. Oceans breathe gently against the shores. Even the water responds to the silent movements of space, participating in a rhythm guided by gravity and time. As Earth sleeps, the solar system continues its endless dance. Planets glide along invisible paths around the sun, each following its orbit with perfect patience. Mercury moves swiftly but silently. Venus drifts peacefully. Mars continues its quiet journey, distant and calm. Giant planets like Jupiter and Saturn move slowly, their massive presence stabilizing the solar system, protecting inner worlds, maintaining balance. The sun itself is never truly still. Deep within its core, gentle nuclear reactions release energy steadily, not explosively. This energy will take thousands of years to reach the surface and then several minutes to travel through space. The sunlight you experience today began its journey long before this night. Even sunlight moves slowly, calmly, patiently. Beyond the solar system, stars are moving too. Entire star systems orbit the center of the Milky Way galaxy. This movement is incredibly slow, taking hundreds of millions of years for a single orbit. There is no rush, no sudden change, just a smooth, graceful motion that keeps everything in harmony. As you rest, the Milky Way continues to rotate. Its spiral arms sweep gently through space, carrying billions of stars, planets, and unseen worlds. Nebulae glow faintly, star nurseries quietly shaping the next generation of suns. Old stars fade peacefully, returning their material to space, making room for new beginnings. Even black holes, often misunderstood as violent, behave calmly in the night universe. They do not roam or hunt. They remain anchored at the centers of galaxies, holding stars in stable orbits, shaping cosmic structure through gravity alone. They are silent guardians of balance, not destroyers of peace. Farther still, galaxies drift slowly apart as the universe expands. This expansion is gentle, not explosive. Space itself stretches quietly, allowing galaxies to move without collision. The universe grows calmly, creating more room for light, matter, and time to unfold naturally. As your breathing slows, you become part of this rhythm. Your rest mirrors the universe's patience. While your body relaxes, space continues its endless, peaceful motion. Nothing demands attention. Nothing needs urgency. Everything unfolds exactly as it should. Tonight, as Earth sleeps, the universe watches quietly. Stars shine. Planets move. Galaxies drift. Time flows smoothly forward. And within this vast, silent motion, rest becomes easy, natural, and safe. The universe has been awake for billions of years, so that you can sleep peacefully now. As night deepens and the world grows quieter, Earth continues its gentle journey through space without pause. There is no sound to announce this movement, no vibration to feel, no sign that anything is happening at all. Yet the planet beneath you is spinning smoothly, gliding through the darkness with extraordinary precision. This motion has been constant for billions of years, steady enough to allow oceans to form, life to grow, and minds to rest without fear. Earth rotates once every 24 hours, a slow and comforting rhythm that defines day and night. While you sleep, continents drift through darkness, cities pass beneath starlight, and oceans reflect the faint glow of the moon. This rotation is not hurried. It is measured and calm, like a deep breath taken by the planet itself. Gravity holds everything close, ensuring that nothing is shaken, nothing is disturbed. At the same time, Earth is traveling around the Sun, tracing a vast circular path through space. This orbit is so smooth that it feels perfectly still. The Sun's gravity gently guides the planet forward, maintaining a stable distance that allows temperatures to remain balanced and life to flourish. Seasons change slowly because of this motion, not suddenly, not unpredictably, but with a rhythm that nature understands deeply. The Sun itself moves too. As Earth orbits, the entire solar system drifts through the Milky Way galaxy. This journey is unimaginably slow, taking hundreds of millions of years to complete a single loop around the galactic center. During this time, stars around us shift position gradually, nebulae glow softly, and new star systems form quietly from ancient dust. Nothing interrupts the calm flow. While Earth moves, its atmosphere acts like a gentle blanket. It filters harsh radiation, softens incoming light, and protects life below. The sky appears still, but it is alive with subtle motion. Air currents flow quietly. Clouds drift lazily. Even weather systems form and dissolve according to slow, natural patterns. At night, these processes settle into softer rhythms, allowing the planet to rest alongside its inhabitants. Deep beneath the surface, Earth's core remains warm and active, generating the magnetic field that shields the planet from solar winds. This invisible force stretches far into space, deflecting charged particles gently, ensuring that the planet's surface remains calm and stable. Even protection happens silently, without drama, without disturbance. As you sleep, tectonic plates shift almost imperceptibly. Mountains rise over millions of years. Continents drift at the speed of growing fingernails. These movements are so slow that they feel eternal, reminding us that Earth changes only when it is ready, never in a rush. The planet knows patience, and it teaches that patience to all life that rests upon it. Above the atmosphere, satellites orbit quietly, following predictable paths. Beyond them, the moon continues its steady orbit, influencing tides and stabilizing Earth's rotation. The moon's presence is calming, ancient, familiar. It has watched over Earth's nights for billions of years, reflecting sunlight gently, never demanding attention. Even gravity itself works quietly. It holds oceans to the planet, keeps the atmosphere close, and binds Earth to the sun. Gravity does not announce itself. It does not require effort. It simply exists, providing structure, balance, and security. It allows everything to rest in its proper place. As your breathing slows, your body becomes aware of this deep stability. There is no need to remain alert. The planet is steady. The sky is calm. Space is vast and quiet. Earth has traveled this path countless times before, and it will continue long after this night passes. There is nothing you need to do. Beyond Earth's immediate surroundings, the solar system flows gently through interstellar space. Dust particles drift lazily. Magnetic fields weave invisible patterns. Light from distant stars passes silently, some of it beginning journeys that will last millions of years before reaching another world. Tonight, Earth carries you through this cosmic ocean with effortless grace. You are safe within layers of motion that are slow, predictable, and perfectly balanced. The universe does not rush. It allows rest. It encourages stillness. As Earth turns beneath the stars, the night continues its quiet watch. Motion and stillness coexist beautifully. The planet moves, yet you rest. The universe flows, yet your mind can become calm. And so, while you sleep, Earth continues its silent motion through space, steady and unchanging, guiding you gently through the night. As Earth continues its quiet journey through space, the moon remains close, moving with calm loyalty along its ancient path. It circles the planet slowly, never rushing, never drifting away. Its presence is steady and reassuring, like a silent companion that has watched over Earth's nights since the earliest moments of time. While you sleep, the moon continues its endless orbit, shaping subtle rhythms that reach deep into the planet itself. The moon's gravity reaches out softly, touching Earth in ways that are almost imperceptible, yet profoundly important. Oceans respond first. Vast bodies of water rise and fall in gentle waves, creating tides that move in a slow, predictable rhythm. These tides do not crash with urgency unless guided by storms. Most of the time, they breathe calmly, pulling water back and forth as if the planet itself is inhaling and exhaling. This motion has been happening for billions of years, steady and unchanging. As tides move, coastlines are shaped patiently. Beaches form grain by grain. Rocks smooth slowly. Life along the shores adapts to this quiet rhythm, learning when the waters will come and when they will retreat. Even coral reefs grow in harmony with the tides, expanding slowly, layer by layer, over countless generations. All of this happens while the moon continues its calm watch overhead. The moon also plays a deeper role, one that cannot be seen directly. Its gravity stabilizes Earth's rotation, preventing wild shifts that could disrupt climate and life. Because of the moon, Earth's tilt remains gentle and consistent. Seasons arrive softly, not suddenly. Weather patterns remain balanced. Life is given the chance to rest, grow, and evolve without constant upheaval. The moon is a quiet guardian of stability. Above the atmosphere, the moon reflects sunlight back toward Earth. This reflected light is soft, diffused, and calming. Moonlight does not overwhelm the eyes. It does not demand attention. It simply illuminates the night gently, revealing shapes without disturbing darkness. For countless generations, humans have rested under this light, finding comfort in its familiarity. As you sleep, the moon's surface remains still and silent. Craters rest untouched. Ancient plains lie frozen in time. There is no wind, no sound, no weather. The moon preserves the history of the solar system quietly, holding memories of impacts that occurred billions of years ago. It does not change quickly. It waits patiently, a timeless witness to cosmic history. Beyond the moon, gravity continues its gentle work throughout space. It binds Earth to the sun, the moon to Earth, and planets to their orbits. Gravity is not forceful in its expression. It does not pull suddenly or violently. It curves paths smoothly, guiding motion with precision and calm. Thanks to gravity, planets glide instead of collide, and systems remain stable for unimaginable lengths of time. In the darkness beyond the moon's orbit, countless other moons circle their own planets. Some orbit giant gas worlds, hidden within swirling clouds. Others circle distant planets around stars far from Earth. All follow the same quiet rules, moving patiently through space, guided by gravity's invisible hand. As your body rests, gravity holds you gently to the planet. There is no sensation of being pulled, no effort required. It simply exists, allowing muscles to relax, breathing to deepen, and thoughts to slow. Gravity does not ask for attention. It offers support silently, moment by moment. The relationship between Earth and the moon is one of balance, built over immense time. Long ago, they moved closer together. Over billions of years, the moon has slowly drifted farther away, at a pace so slow it feels eternal. Even change, in the universe, happens calmly and without urgency. Tonight, as the moon rises or sets somewhere on Earth, its influence continues uninterrupted. Tides shift gently. Rotation remains stable. Light reflects softly across the planet's surface. And above it all, space remains quiet, vast, and untroubled. The moon does not hurry. Gravity does not rush. Earth does not stumble. Everything moves as it should, guided by rhythms older than memory. Within this calm cosmic balance, sleep becomes natural, effortless, and safe. As Earth and the Moon continue their quiet motion, the rest of the solar system moves alongside them, participating in a vast, silent dance that never pauses. While night settles over Earth and minds drift into sleep, planets glide along invisible paths, each following an orbit shaped by gravity and time. There is no sound in space to mark this movement, no signal to announce change. Everything flows gently, just as it has for billions of years. Closest to the Sun, Mercury completes its swift journey, circling with calm precision. Though it moves faster than other planets, its motion is smooth and predictable, never hurried. Venus follows, wrapped in thick clouds that glow softly in reflected sunlight. From afar, Venus drifts peacefully, its slow rotation and steady orbit adding to the solar system's overall balance. These inner planets move quietly, unnoticed by sleeping eyes on Earth. Mars continues its long, patient orbit, distant and calm. Its red surface reflects faint sunlight, and its ancient landscapes remain still beneath thin skies. Long ago, Mars may have had flowing water and warmer days, but now it rests in a colder calm, orbiting steadily, never disturbed. Even planets that have changed dramatically do so without urgency, adapting slowly over time. Beyond Mars, the giant planets dominate the solar system's nighttime motion. Jupiter, immense and powerful, moves slowly along its orbit, its gravity shaping the paths of asteroids and comets. Jupiter does not act suddenly. It guards the inner solar system quietly, capturing or deflecting wandering objects over long spans of time. Its massive presence is stabilizing, a silent protector drifting through the darkness. Saturn follows with its elegant rings, encircling the planet like a delicate halo. The rings shimmer faintly, made of ice and dust that orbit in perfect harmony. Each particle follows its own path, guided gently by gravity. There is no collision, no chaos, only balance. Saturn's motion is slow and graceful, its beauty revealed only to those who look closely and patiently. Farther out, Uranus and Neptune continue their distant journeys. These cold giants move so slowly that generations pass without noticeable change. Their deep blue hues reflect the calm of their environments, where sunlight is faint and time feels stretched. Around them, moons orbit quietly, some hiding oceans beneath icy surfaces, waiting patiently in the darkness. Throughout the solar system, countless smaller objects drift silently. Asteroids trace steady paths through space. Comets sleep in distant clouds, awaiting gentle gravitational nudges that may guide them closer to the Sun after millions of years. Even these visitors move calmly, following rules that allow them to appear without warning yet never without purpose. The Sun itself anchors this entire system with quiet consistency. Its gravity holds planets, moons, and dust in stable orbits. Deep within its core, energy is produced steadily, without fluctuation or urgency. This energy flows outward slowly, eventually reaching planets as warmth and light. Even at night, the Sun's influence remains constant, sustaining balance and motion without interruption. As you rest, none of this motion disturbs you. The solar system's dance is smooth, precise, and reliable. There are no sudden turns, no unexpected changes. The paths of planets have been calculated by nature over immense spans of time, refined until stability became the norm. This reliability allows life on Earth to sleep peacefully, trusting the universe to remain calm. The silence of space deepens the sense of peace. Without air, sound cannot travel. All motion happens in perfect quiet. Planets move without noise. Moons orbit without whisper. Light travels without hum. This silence is not emptiness. It is calm, a natural stillness that encourages rest and reflection. As your breathing slows, you become aware of being carried within this vast system. You are not separate from it. Earth, Moon, Sun, and planets all move together, connected by gravity and time. The same forces guiding distant worlds also hold you gently in place, allowing muscles to relax and thoughts to fade. Night after night, this dance continues unchanged. Long after this moment, planets will still orbit, moons will still circle, and the sun will still shine steadily. The universe does not rush toward tomorrow. It remains present, balanced, and calm. Tonight, while you sleep, the solar system performs its ancient dance beneath the stars, smooth and silent, reminding you that motion does not require effort and stability does not require attention. Everything moves as it should, allowing rest to come easily. As the solar system continues its gentle motion, the night sky opens wider, revealing countless stars shining calmly beyond the reach of Earth's daylight. While the world below sleeps, these stars remain awake, not with urgency or awareness, but with quiet persistence. Each star is a distant sun, releasing light steadily into space, illuminating the darkness without noise or effort. Their glow feels soft and reassuring, like a reminder that the universe is vast, stable, and patient. Stars are born slowly, deep within clouds of gas and dust that drift silently through galaxies. These clouds collapse gently under gravity, warming gradually, taking millions of years to form a single star. There is no sudden beginning, no dramatic moment, just a gradual gathering of matter, guided by invisible forces, until light finally emerges. Even birth, in the universe, is calm and unhurried. Once a star begins to shine, it can do so for billions of years. Inside its core, energy is created through steady nuclear reactions, converting matter into light with perfect balance. This process is controlled and continuous, never explosive in ordinary stars. The light produced travels outward slowly, taking thousands of years to reach the surface, then crossing space in silence. The starlight you see tonight began its journey long before humans ever existed. Some stars are small and gentle, glowing faintly but enduring for trillions of years. Others are larger and brighter, living shorter but still incredibly long lives by human standards. Even the most massive stars spend millions of years shining calmly before changing. There is no hurry in their existence. Time stretches generously around them, allowing their light to become a steady presence in the cosmos. As you rest, stars across the galaxy continue their quiet work. They warm nearby planets, illuminate nebulae, and shape the structure of space through gravity. Entire systems of worlds may orbit these distant suns, experiencing their own nights and days, their own moments of rest beneath alien skies. Somewhere, light from those stars may be touching surfaces we can only imagine. Stars do not shine alone. Many exist in clusters, born together from the same cloud. These clusters glow softly, their combined light blending into gentle halos within galaxies. From afar, they appear as peaceful gatherings, not crowded or chaotic, but ordered and balanced. Each star follows its own path, guided by gravity, never colliding, never rushing. The Milky Way itself is filled with hundreds of billions of stars, all moving together in a slow, graceful rotation. From Earth, this vast structure appears as a faint band of light stretching across the night sky. It is not bright or overwhelming. It is subtle and calm, a reminder of how much exists beyond immediate awareness. The galaxy carries its stars patiently, allowing them to shine without interruption. As stars age, they change slowly. Some swell gently, becoming red giants, their light softening and spreading outward. Others fade gradually, cooling into quiet remnants that drift silently through space. Even the end of a star's life is rarely sudden. It unfolds over immense spans of time, allowing matter to return gently to the universe, ready to become part of something new. The elements created inside stars, carbon, oxygen, iron, are essential for planets and life. These elements are formed slowly, over billions of years, then released gradually into space. Without urgency, stars prepare the universe for complexity, for beauty, for awareness. All of this happens while nights pass quietly on countless worlds. As you lie still, your body mirrors this calm persistence. Breathing becomes deeper, slower. Thoughts drift like distant stars, appearing briefly before fading into darkness. The steady glow of the universe encourages rest, reminding you that nothing needs immediate attention. The cosmos is patient enough to wait. Light from stars travels without haste. It moves at a constant speed, crossing vast distances calmly, never slowing, never speeding up. This consistency allows the universe to remain predictable and safe. Even light follows rules that promote balance rather than chaos. The night sky, filled with ancient photons, becomes a place of comfort rather than mystery. Some of the stars you see tonight may no longer exist. Their light continues to travel, preserving their presence long after they have changed. This gentle delay softens reality, allowing the universe to hold on to moments, to let beauty linger. The night sky becomes a living memory, glowing softly above a sleeping world. As Earth turns, different stars rise and set, each taking its turn to watch over the night. None compete for attention. None rush to be seen. They simply shine when it is their time, then fade gently into daylight. This quiet order repeats endlessly, night after night. While the world sleeps, stars continue their ancient task, shining calmly, steadily, endlessly. They do not disturb the darkness. They enrich it. And beneath their gentle light, rest becomes deeper, thoughts become quieter, and the mind drifts peacefully into sleep. Beyond the stars that fill our night sky, entire galaxies drift through space, moving so slowly that their motion feels almost still. A galaxy is not a rush of activity but a calm, balanced system, holding billions of stars together in a quiet gravitational embrace. From a distance, galaxies appear like soft spirals of light, glowing gently against the dark canvas of the universe, each one moving at its own peaceful rhythm. Our home, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy, rotating slowly like a cosmic clock that never needs winding. One full rotation takes hundreds of millions of years. During that time, stars orbit the center calmly, never colliding, never hurrying. Planets travel with them, carried smoothly through space as if resting on an invisible current. This motion is steady and predictable, offering a deep sense of stability. At the center of most galaxies lies a supermassive black hole, not as a force of chaos, but as an anchor. It holds the galaxy together, guiding the motion of stars and gas with silent authority. Despite its immense power, it does not disturb the calm. Everything moves in balance, responding gently to gravity's pull. Even the most powerful objects in the universe participate in this quiet harmony. Galaxies are born from clouds of matter left over from the early universe. Over billions of years, gravity shapes them slowly, allowing stars to form in graceful patterns. Spiral arms emerge like soft brushstrokes, curving outward, glowing faintly with young stars and nebulae. Nothing is rushed. The universe allows galaxies all the time they need to become beautiful. Some galaxies travel alone, drifting peacefully through vast empty regions of space. Others exist in groups or clusters, gently influencing one another through gravity. When galaxies pass close together, they do not crash violently. Instead, they interact slowly, stretching and reshaping over millions of years. Even cosmic encounters unfold at a pace that feels calm and unthreatening. Light within galaxies moves quietly from star to star, illuminating dust and gas, revealing soft colors and subtle textures. Blues mark regions of young stars, while warm yellows and reds show older, calmer populations. These colors blend smoothly, creating scenes that feel soothing rather than dramatic. The universe paints with patience. As galaxies age, their activity slows. Star formation becomes quieter, fewer new stars are born, and the galaxy settles into a long, peaceful existence. This slowing mirrors rest itself. After long periods of creation and change, calm naturally follows. The universe understands the value of stillness. Between galaxies lies vast empty space, known as the cosmic void. These regions are not frightening or lonely. They are calm expanses where very little happens. No light, no sound, just quiet distance. These voids give galaxies room to exist without pressure, reminding us that emptiness can be peaceful rather than unsettling. From Earth, when we observe distant galaxies, we see them as they were long ago. Their light has traveled for millions or billions of years to reach us. This delay softens reality, turning observation into reflection. We are not watching events unfold urgently, we are gently receiving ancient light, preserved for our quiet nights. As your breathing slows, imagine drifting gently between galaxies, carried through space without effort. There is no destination to reach, no task to complete. Just motion without urgency, movement without resistance. The universe does not push. It carries. Galaxies will continue their slow dance long after this night has passed. They will rotate, drift, and glow calmly for billions of years to come. Nothing about their existence demands attention. They simply are, steady and enduring. Under the influence of this cosmic calm, thoughts loosen their grip. The mind becomes lighter, like a distant star drifting through a galaxy, supported by unseen forces. Rest deepens naturally, without instruction. The calm dance of galaxies continues, endless and gentle, guiding the universe through time. And beneath their ancient light, sleep becomes effortless, peaceful, and deep. Between the stars and within the arms of galaxies, vast clouds of gas and dust float quietly through space. These are nebulae, the most peaceful regions of the universe, where nothing moves quickly and nothing demands attention. They appear as soft veils of color, gently glowing as starlight passes through them. In these clouds, time feels especially slow, as if the universe itself is resting. Nebulae are made of the simplest elements, hydrogen and helium, mixed with tiny grains of cosmic dust. They drift in near silence, spread across distances so vast that even light takes years to cross them. Within these clouds, gravity works gently, drawing particles together almost imperceptibly. There is no urgency here. Creation happens in whispers, not in sudden events. Over millions of years, small regions within a nebula begin to grow slightly warmer and denser. This is how stars begin their long journey into existence. Even at this early stage, nothing feels dramatic. The process is gradual, like a deep breath slowly filling the lungs. The universe allows itself to take its time. Some nebulae glow softly because nearby stars illuminate them, causing the gas to shine in subtle colors. Reds, blues, and purples blend smoothly, forming patterns that feel more like dreams than physical places. These colors are not loud or sharp. They are gentle, calming, and continuous, spreading softly through space. Other nebulae are darker, appearing as quiet shadows against brighter regions of the galaxy. These dark nebulae are not empty or lifeless. They are simply dense, holding their light close, protecting the slow processes happening inside. In their darkness, stars are forming patiently, hidden from view until they are ready to shine. Nebulae also form from the remains of old stars. When a star gently releases its outer layers at the end of its life, the material drifts outward, creating a new cloud of gas. This recycled matter becomes part of the universe's ongoing rhythm. Nothing is wasted. Everything returns softly, ready to begin again. As you rest, imagine floating slowly through a nebula, surrounded by soft light and quiet motion. There is no up or down, no beginning or end. Just space filled with gentle color and calm energy. The feeling is weightless, peaceful, and deeply relaxing. Within these clouds, temperatures can be incredibly low, only a few degrees above absolute zero. In this cold, movement slows even further. Atoms drift lazily, occasionally meeting, occasionally parting. The universe rests here, conserving energy, waiting patiently. Nebulae remind us that creation does not require force. It requires time and balance. The most important things in the universe are formed slowly, without stress or pressure. This same principle applies to rest. Sleep arrives not when it is forced, but when it is allowed. The light that passes through nebulae is softened and scattered, creating a glow that feels diffused and gentle. Nothing is sharp. Nothing is sudden. This softness makes nebulae some of the most calming sights in the cosmos, like cosmic fog drifting through an endless night. As galaxies move and stars orbit, nebulae drift with them, changing shape almost imperceptibly over millions of years. Their forms stretch and fold slowly, like clouds on Earth moving across a still sky. There is beauty in this slow transformation. While you drift closer to sleep, thoughts begin to behave like particles in a nebula. They float gently, no longer colliding sharply. Each thought becomes softer, quieter, easier to release. The mind becomes spacious, open, and calm. Nebulae continue their silent work, forming future stars while resting in darkness and light. They are the universe's reminder that beginnings are gentle and rest is natural. Far from being places of chaos, black holes are some of the quietest regions in the universe. They do not roar or pull violently. They wait. Surrounded by darkness, they exist as deep wells of gravity, shaping space and time with calm authority. In their presence, motion slows, and the universe becomes still. Most black holes are born from massive stars that have reached the end of their long, luminous lives. When such a star gently exhausts its fuel, gravity slowly takes over. The collapse is not a sudden crash, but a gradual surrender. Layers of matter fall inward, folding space around them until a black hole forms. Even this transformation unfolds without sound or urgency. Around many black holes, matter drifts in slow, graceful spirals. Gas and dust form disks that glow softly as they circle, warming gently before crossing the event horizon. This movement is smooth and predictable, like leaves floating toward the center of a quiet whirlpool. Nothing is rushed. Everything follows gravity's calm guidance. At the center of galaxies, supermassive black holes rest quietly, influencing the motion of billions of stars. They are not destructive forces tearing galaxies apart. Instead, they act as anchors, providing balance and structure. Their immense gravity holds galaxies together, allowing stars to orbit peacefully for billions of years. Time behaves differently near a black hole. As gravity deepens, time slows, stretching moments into long, quiet intervals. This slowing does not feel frightening. It feels heavy and calm, like sinking into a soft, warm bed. The universe itself seems to rest near these objects. Despite their mystery, black holes are remarkably simple. They do not have surfaces or textures, only mass, spin, and charge. This simplicity adds to their calm nature. There is nothing complex to understand, nothing demanding attention. They exist, silently, without decoration. Light itself moves differently near black holes. It curves gently, bending around the deep gravity, creating soft rings and shadows. Even light slows its rush, respecting the quiet strength of space. This bending creates some of the most peaceful visuals in the universe, smooth and flowing rather than sharp or chaotic. Black holes do not endlessly consume everything around them. They grow slowly, over millions or billions of years, feeding only on nearby material that drifts too close. Most matter passes safely by, continuing its journey through space unaffected. The universe remains calm and balanced. As you rest, imagine drifting near a black hole, not falling, but hovering safely at a distance. Space feels deep and quiet here. There is no sound, no pressure, only stillness. Thoughts slow. Awareness becomes soft and heavy. Even black holes eventually change. Over unimaginable spans of time, they slowly lose energy and fade, returning their mass gently to the universe. This process takes longer than the current age of the cosmos. Nothing ends abruptly. Everything fades slowly. The presence of black holes reminds us that even the deepest mysteries of the universe are governed by calm, consistent laws. Nothing needs to be feared. Everything has a place and a purpose within the greater balance. As your breathing becomes slower and deeper, gravity feels comforting rather than heavy. It holds you gently, allowing rest to arrive naturally. Like space near a black hole, your mind becomes quiet, focused, and still. The universe remains silent and steady, guided by gravity's gentle pull. And in that silence, sleep deepens effortlessly. Time in the universe does not hurry. It stretches calmly across vast distances, flowing gently through stars, galaxies, and empty space alike. Unlike the ticking of clocks on Earth, cosmic time moves without pressure. It expands naturally, allowing everything to unfold at its own pace. In this slow rhythm, the universe finds balance. Space and time are woven together into a smooth fabric, bending softly under the presence of matter and energy. Planets curve this fabric slightly, stars curve it more deeply, and galaxies shape it on grand scales. This bending is not sudden or harsh. It happens gradually, like a soft indentation forming in a cushion. Everything rests within this gentle structure. As planets orbit their stars, time flows a little more slowly for them compared to distant space. This difference is subtle and calm, not something that can be felt directly. It simply exists as part of the universe's quiet design. Even motion respects rest. Light traveling through space experiences time differently as well. For light, the journey from a distant star to your eyes feels instantaneous, even though it may take billions of years from our perspective. This strange calmness in light's experience adds to the universe's gentle mystery. Nothing rushes, yet everything arrives. The expansion of the universe itself happens slowly and steadily. Galaxies drift apart at a pace so gradual that it feels like stillness. This expansion does not tear things away suddenly. It gives space room to breathe, allowing cosmic structures to exist peacefully without crowding. As you relax, imagine time slowing around you, stretching gently like a long, calm night. There is no schedule to follow, no moment to catch. The universe allows you to rest within its rhythm, free from urgency. Events that seem dramatic on human timescales are gentle when viewed through cosmic time. A supernova, one of the most powerful events in space, unfolds over weeks or months, and its effects spread over thousands of years. Even change happens slowly enough to feel calm when seen from a distance. The past, present, and future coexist within the universe's vast timeline. Light carries memories forward, preserving moments long after they have passed. In this way, the universe remembers softly, without clinging, allowing everything to move forward peacefully. As night deepens, your awareness of time begins to soften. Minutes blend together. Thoughts lose their sharp edges. This is natural. The body understands how to follow the universe's slow rhythm, easing gently toward sleep. Space itself is mostly empty, filled with calm silence. This emptiness allows time to flow without interruption. Nothing presses in. Nothing demands movement. Stillness becomes the natural state. In deep space, far from stars and galaxies, time passes quietly. There are no signals, no changes, just the gentle expansion of space. This quiet background supports everything else, like silence between notes in a soothing melody. As you breathe slowly, imagine each breath aligning with the universe's rhythm. Inhale as space expands. Exhale as time flows onward. There is no need to control the breath. It follows its own calm pattern. The soft rhythm of time and space continues endlessly, supporting all things without effort. Wrapped in this rhythm, rest feels safe and natural. Sleep arrives gently, carried by the quiet flow of the universe. As you continue to drift gently into sleep, the universe reveals its most soothing gift, light. Cosmic light travels silently through the vast emptiness, illuminating galaxies, nebulae, and stars with a gentle glow. Unlike the harsh glare of artificial lights on Earth, this light is soft, diffused, and calming. It flows endlessly, reaching distant worlds and touching countless spaces with quiet radiance. Stars are the most familiar source of this light. Each one glows steadily, its photons beginning journeys that may last millions or even billions of years before reaching another point in space. This light carries warmth and continuity, a reminder that motion in the universe is steady and predictable. It moves without haste, spreading calm across unimaginable distances. Nebulae contribute to this cosmic glow with colors so subtle they feel like whispers. Soft reds, deep blues, and faint purples blend seamlessly, creating luminous clouds that drift lazily across galaxies. These clouds of gas and dust scatter starlight, giving the universe a layered, multidimensional softness. The effect is hypnotic, inviting eyes and mind to linger and relax. Even black holes, often feared for their darkness, enhance the universe's visual balance. Their immense gravity bends light gently, forming subtle rings and arcs that are elegant rather than alarming. This light doesn't crash or burn. It curves and flows, creating patterns of quiet beauty that complement the surrounding stars and nebulae. Galaxies themselves glow with the combined light of billions of stars. Spiral arms sweep softly through space, golden and pale blue interweaving like threads in a cosmic tapestry. Elliptical galaxies shimmer steadily, their older stars emitting warm, steady light that feels timeless. Observing these structures inspires a sense of calm awe, as though the universe is breathing slowly, carefully, in a rhythm meant to soothe. The universe's glow reaches even the farthest corners of space. Ancient light from the earliest stars stretches through time and distance, bathing voids with a faint, persistent illumination. These subtle photons carry memories of creation, filling the cosmic silence with an invisible, comforting presence. Even emptiness is touched by light, softening its loneliness. Light also traces motion in the universe. As stars orbit galactic centers and planets circle their suns, light curves and reflects, creating slow dances that the mind can follow. Comets and asteroids shimmer as they drift past suns, their faint reflections marking gentle journeys through quiet expanses. Nothing hurries. Nothing collides unexpectedly. Movement and illumination blend smoothly. From Earth, starlight filters through the atmosphere, becoming even softer. Night skies shimmer with twinkling points of calm brilliance. Milky Way bands stretch overhead, pale and diffuse, like streams of gentle energy. This light enters your eyes and mind without startling, inviting serenity and easing tension. The universe's glow reminds us that illumination does not demand attention to be meaningful. Light can exist quietly, supporting life, growth, and awareness without harshness or rush. This principle mirrors rest itself. Peace is present when it is gentle, not forced. As you inhale slowly, imagine this cosmic light surrounding you, softening edges, calming thoughts, and guiding awareness towards stillness. Each photon becomes a gentle touch, a reminder of the universe's patience and balance. Sleep feels natural in its presence. Throughout the universe, light flows endlessly, blending with darkness in a constant, serene balance. Stars, nebulae, and galaxies all contribute, creating a visual harmony that mirrors the universe's calm motion. Time stretches gently, space remains vast and silent, and the night continues, uninterrupted. Tonight, as you lie in bed, you are bathed in this cosmic glow, carried effortlessly through space and time. The universe shines softly, guiding you toward deep, peaceful sleep, where dreams drift lightly like distant starlight. Beyond galaxies and nebulae, light travels across the vast darkness of space, moving calmly and endlessly toward distant worlds. Each photon begins its journey at the heart of a star, released after countless years of quiet nuclear reactions. It drifts steadily, silently, without rush, through emptiness that spans millions of kilometers. This light is patient, knowing that its destination will eventually arrive. As you rest, imagine these tiny particles of light passing by, barely noticed but consistently present. They carry warmth, color, and information from stars that may no longer exist. Even the oldest photons, traveling for billions of years, move at the same gentle pace, uninterrupted by chaos or urgency. Darkness becomes a soft canvas for this steady illumination. Light interacts with matter slowly and delicately. Dust in space diffuses it into soft glows. Gas clouds scatter it across the void, creating the faint, dreamlike colors of distant nebulae. Shadows stretch and curve gently, revealing shapes without sharp edges. Nothing is abrupt. Everything flows gradually, like ink spreading in water. From our perspective on Earth, we see this light as the stars and galaxies of the night sky. Each point of light is a memory of a distant moment, captured and delivered to our eyes across immense stretches of space and time. Even if a star has long vanished, its glow remains, reminding us that the universe preserves its history with patience. Light also carries information about its journey. As it passes through interstellar clouds, it bends slightly, slows subtly, and sometimes splits into different colors. These transformations are not violent or fast. They are quiet, adding depth and texture to the universe's ever-changing patterns. The cosmos communicates softly, not loudly. In the emptiness of space, light travels unbothered. There is no friction, no resistance, no obstacles to disrupt its calm motion. Even across billions of light-years, the journey remains serene and continuous. It is the universe's most reliable messenger, moving faithfully while time unfolds slowly around it. The gentle presence of light shapes everything it touches. Planets reflect it, oceans shimmer, atmospheres glow faintly. On Earth, moonlight and starlight filter through the sky, bringing calm illumination to sleeping landscapes. The movement of light becomes a subtle rhythm that mirrors your slow, even breathing. Some light passes close to massive objects, like stars or black holes. There, it bends gently, curving along paths dictated by gravity. This bending is not sudden or violent. Instead, it forms soft arcs and halos, creating visual poetry across the cosmos. Even the most extreme gravitational fields produce calm, hypnotic beauty. As you drift deeper into rest, imagine yourself floating among these beams of light. Each one passes slowly by, touching your awareness, filling your mind with soft energy. Thoughts become lighter, less urgent, flowing like photons across endless darkness. There is no need to hold on. Everything is carried gently by the universe. The journey of light is endless, continuous, and calming. It reminds us that motion does not need force, and presence does not need attention. Even across the deepest voids, light moves steadily, carrying warmth and comfort through silence. Tonight, as the universe unfolds, photons travel silently, stars glow without hurry, and galaxies rotate without urgency. Within this cosmic calm, your mind and body can rest, breathing in rhythm with the gentle, infinite journey of light. Far beyond our solar system, countless planets orbit distant stars, each moving silently along its unique path. These exoplanets vary in size, color, and temperature, but all share the same gentle rhythm, a steady orbit around their star, guided by gravity and time. While you rest on Earth, these distant worlds glide calmly through space, unnoticed yet fully present. Some exoplanets are small and rocky, like Earth, their surfaces quietly shaped by millions of years of slow geological activity. Mountains rise and valleys deepen over eons. Winds move lazily across plains. Clouds drift across alien skies. Even on planets far from our eyes, the processes of change are measured and patient. Other exoplanets are gas giants, enormous worlds with thick atmospheres of swirling clouds. Their motion is smooth, their storms unfolding over centuries rather than hours. Bands of color sweep gently around their surfaces, creating mesmerizing patterns that are calm rather than chaotic. The vastness of these planets allows time to stretch, letting every movement feel like part of a slow, cosmic dance. Many of these planets orbit close to their stars, experiencing soft warmth, while others linger in distant, frozen orbits. Their climates are shaped by their distance, size, and composition, yet all follow the quiet laws of physics. Nothing forces change too quickly. The universe maintains balance, allowing life, or the potential for life, to exist without interruption. Some exoplanets have moons, moving in graceful paths around them. These moons, like planets themselves, orbit calmly, influencing tides or internal movement without ever creating chaos. Each system is a miniature universe of motion, balanced perfectly over long periods of time. Exoplanets also interact with interstellar material. Cosmic dust drifts past them, occasionally captured into orbit or gently swept away. Light from their stars reflects softly, illuminating surfaces with a faint glow. These distant reflections are subtle, serene, and timeless, contributing to the universe's quiet beauty. Scientists on Earth have discovered thousands of these exoplanets, but they are only a fraction of what exists. Most remain unseen, their slow journeys occurring unnoticed across the galaxy. This hidden abundance is part of the universe's calm rhythm. Creation continues quietly, without announcement or urgency. Imagine drifting past one of these worlds as you lie in bed. The atmosphere moves slowly above an alien surface. Winds swirl lazily. Mountains and oceans rest in place. There is no hurry, no sound, no threat, only peaceful motion in perfect balance. Some exoplanets orbit binary or even trinary star systems, moving in intricate, stable paths. The interaction of multiple gravitational forces does not create chaos. It creates a smooth and precise harmony. The universe teaches that complexity does not demand stress, only patience. The light that reaches Earth from these distant planets is faint but steady. It reminds us that motion in the cosmos is calm, even when it spans unimaginable distances. Time stretches and patience endures, allowing every movement to remain predictable and reassuring. As you breathe deeply, feel yourself aligning with the rhythm of these distant worlds. Orbits, rotations, and gentle gravitational pulls resonate with your own pulse, creating a sense of connection. You are part of this vast, patient universe, resting within its slow and steady motions. Tonight, exoplanets drift silently through space, their paths unhurried, their presence unnoticed yet complete. In their quiet majesty, sleep becomes effortless, guided by the steady rhythm of the cosmos. Beyond stars, galaxies, and planets, the universe is held together by something even more subtle, the cosmic web. This vast network of filaments stretches across unimaginable distances, composed of dark matter, gas, and dust. It is invisible to the naked eye, yet it quietly supports the structure of everything that exists. While you sleep, this cosmic framework holds the universe in gentle balance. The cosmic web connects galaxies like threads in a vast tapestry. Gravity draws matter along these filaments, guiding the formation of clusters and superclusters. Motion here is slow, deliberate, and precise. Galaxies drift along these invisible highways, moving with purpose but without urgency. The web provides order in a space that could otherwise feel infinite and chaotic. In the empty voids between these filaments, time stretches peacefully. There is almost nothing here, and yet these regions are crucial. They give space to grow, room for galaxies to move without collision, and quiet expanses that let the universe breathe. Even emptiness has purpose, and it does so silently, with a calm that encourages rest. Gas flows slowly along the web, feeding galaxies with material for new stars. This migration is not rushed. It unfolds over millions of years, allowing matter to settle naturally and form stable systems. Each star, planet, and moon that arises owes its existence to these quiet, patient currents. Clusters of galaxies gather at intersections of the web, forming nodes of greater density. Even in these crowded regions, motion is balanced and harmonious. Gravity ensures that interactions happen gently, over eons, shaping the cosmos without sudden disruptions. The universe demonstrates that balance is inherent in motion, even on the largest scales. Dark matter, though unseen, exerts its silent influence throughout the web. It moves without friction or sound, shaping filaments and guiding galaxies with invisible hands. This subtle presence reminds us that not all forces need to be loud to be powerful, and that calm can be a form of strength. As you drift towards sleep, imagine floating along one of these filaments. Galaxies drift by like soft lanterns in the night. Gas clouds glow faintly, and light from distant stars scatters gently across the vast expanse. There is no rush, no threat, no urgency, only smooth motion that invites relaxation. Even the largest collisions within the cosmic web take place over millions of years. Galaxies merge slowly, stars adjust their orbits, and matter settles quietly into new patterns. Change in the universe is not sudden. It is patient, gentle, and enduring. The cosmic web also carries energy. Magnetic fields and cosmic radiation flow along its filaments, moving almost imperceptibly, adding subtle structure and texture to space. These flows are invisible to our senses, yet they shape the environment in a way that supports calm and steady motion. As you breathe in rhythm with the universe, imagine the filaments cradling the galaxies, cradling your own tiny world. The structure of space itself is gentle, patient, and supportive. There is no hurry. There is only the quiet, steady presence of the cosmos carrying everything forward. Tonight, the cosmic web hums softly in the background of existence. Its invisible threads hold galaxies, stars, planets, and you in a calm embrace. Within this framework, sleep becomes natural, effortless, and deep, as if the universe itself is rocking you gently through the night. Amid the vastness of space, smaller objects move with quiet purpose. Asteroids drift slowly in the asteroid belt, circling the sun without rush, each one following a path that has been stable for millions of years. These rocky bodies may seem insignificant compared to planets or stars, yet their motion adds subtle rhythm to the solar system's vast calm. They are gentle reminders that even small entities play their part in the cosmic balance. Comets, on the other hand, travel on long, graceful arcs through space. They glide silently from distant regions, sometimes taking thousands of years to approach the sun, and then retreating once more into darkness. Their icy tails shimmer softly as sunlight warms their surfaces, creating trails of faint light that move like wisps of smoke against the black sky. There is no hurry in their journey, only a smooth, predictable path guided by gravity. Asteroids and comets interact gently with other objects. Some are captured by planetary gravity, settling into orbits as moons or satellites. Others drift past planets and stars, influencing them subtly without causing chaos. Their slow, deliberate motion ensures that the cosmic dance remains harmonious. Nothing moves suddenly. Everything unfolds gradually. These objects also carry stories from the early universe. Comets preserve ancient ice and dust, remnants of the formation of the solar system. Asteroids hold rock and metal unchanged for billions of years. While you sleep, these travelers continue their calm paths, silently maintaining a link to the past, a reminder that the universe remembers, even in silence. When a comet approaches the sun, its icy surface warms and releases gas slowly. The glowing coma and trailing tail are not violent displays, but gentle signals of transformation. Light reflects softly from these forms, creating patterns that drift peacefully across space. Even in activity, motion can be serene. Asteroids, too, tell tales of cosmic history. Collisions long ago created families of objects that now drift together, moving like soft dancers in a silent ballet. Their paths rarely intersect abruptly. Even impacts are spaced over vast timescales, allowing the system to remain balanced and calm. As you imagine this quiet dance, consider how the solar system is a place of coexistence. Massive planets, small asteroids, distant comets, and Earth itself share space without conflict. Their motion is choreographed by gravity and time, providing stability and rhythm. This balance mirrors the gentle cycles in your own body as you rest. Some comets carry organic compounds, hints of the building blocks of life, moving slowly through space. Over billions of years, they may deliver these materials to planets, nurturing the potential for life in a quiet, understated way. Even the smallest travelers have purpose, contributing gently to the larger pattern. Your breath begins to sync with this cosmic flow. Inhale as a comet drifts closer to the sun, exhale as an asteroid glides past a planet. Thoughts become lighter, more spacious, less urgent. The universe's calm motion influences your own inner rhythm, guiding you toward deeper rest. Tonight, asteroids and comets continue their silent journeys. They carry history, energy, and beauty, moving without pressure or haste. Within their peaceful paths, you can release tension and sink further into relaxation, knowing that the universe supports motion, balance, and stillness simultaneously. As the solar system drifts through space, countless distant stars continue their quiet existence, scattered across galaxies far beyond our own. These stars shine steadily, not demanding attention, not seeking notice, yet illuminating the universe in a soft, consistent glow. Their light has traveled millions or even billions of years, a gentle reminder of the vast patience of time. Each star is unique. Some burn with a cool, faint light, barely visible across the darkness of space. Others glow with a warm, golden hue, offering a sense of calm presence. None rush to shine. None compete for attention. They all follow the same quiet rhythm, born from gravitational balance and nuclear energy that unfolds slowly over eons. Stars often live in clusters, where thousands of them share a small region of space. These clusters move together gracefully, orbiting a common center, their individual motions synchronized through invisible forces. Light from these stars blends together into soft halos, painting the cosmic landscape with subtle colors that soothe rather than excite. Even stars that are massive and bright follow a gentle, predictable path. They expand and contract slowly, converting hydrogen to helium at a pace that is measured and constant. Occasionally, a star will enter its final stages, swelling into a red giant or shedding its outer layers. Yet even these changes, monumental as they may be in cosmic terms, unfold over millions of years, preserving the universe's calm rhythm. The light reaching Earth from these stars brings a sense of serenity. It filters through space, unaffected by noise or turbulence, arriving softly to touch our eyes. Moonlight and starlight mingle to create nights that feel peaceful, spacious, and safe, encouraging the mind and body to rest. Stars also guide wandering planets and comets through gravitational influence. Their steady presence anchors motion, providing direction without coercion. Even in their immense energy, stars remain composed, illustrating that power need not disturb tranquility. Some stars have companion stars, forming binary or multiple systems. These stars orbit each other with exquisite precision, creating patterns that are complex yet harmonious. Their gravitational dance is subtle, smooth, and calming, demonstrating that even interaction can occur without chaos. Across galaxies, supernovae occur, but these events are rare and distant. Their light reaches us slowly, traveling through space in a gentle, extended display. Even the explosive birth of neutron stars or black holes unfolds gradually from our perspective, reminding us that time in the universe moves differently and always calmly on cosmic scales. As you breathe slowly, imagine drifting past a field of distant stars. Each one emits soft warmth, steady illumination, and silent energy. Thoughts begin to lighten, drifting like distant starlight, fading gently into the vast background of space. Your mind becomes as expansive and calm as the universe itself. Tonight, distant stars continue their quiet existence, their glow unwavering, their motion steady. Within this soft illumination, sleep deepens naturally. The universe itself becomes a gentle lullaby, and you rest safely within its rhythm. Beyond the visible light of stars, the universe hums with a quiet presence, cosmic radiation. Invisible to our eyes but pervasive throughout space, this energy travels calmly across the cosmos, carrying information and subtle warmth from the earliest moments of creation. It is a silent reminder that even emptiness has a rhythm, a soft whisper that underpins the motion of galaxies, stars, and planets. Cosmic radiation originates from a variety of sources. Some comes from the Big Bang itself, stretching across space for billions of years, gradually cooling as it expands. Others are released from stars, supernovae, and distant galaxies, moving through the void like gentle streams of energy. None of this occurs suddenly. The universe allows it to unfold slowly over immense spans of time. As it drifts through space, cosmic radiation interacts subtly with matter. Dust particles and gas clouds absorb some energy, scattering the rest like a soft glow. This process is never forceful or urgent. The energy spreads evenly, providing balance to the universe, just as the smallest breath stabilizes the rhythm of life on Earth. Radiation carries the story of the universe's evolution. Ancient photons, invisible but persistent, remind us that the cosmos has a memory. Stars are born, live, and die, and yet traces of their presence continue, moving silently through space. This persistence offers a sense of calm continuity, like a lullaby that never ends. Some forms of cosmic radiation are energetic and powerful, yet even these follow the universe's quiet rules. They move at predictable speeds, bend gently around massive objects, and distribute evenly across vast regions of space. There is no chaos in their motion, only a serene adherence to cosmic laws. The presence of cosmic radiation also shapes galaxies, influencing the formation of stars and the behavior of interstellar gas. These subtle effects occur over millions or billions of years. Nothing is rushed. Nothing interrupts the universe's gentle flow. Even the most energetic phenomena contribute to the calm architecture of space. As you rest, Imagine drifting in a space suffused with invisible light. It moves past you softly, brushing your mind with energy that cannot be seen but can be felt in the sense of vastness and quiet presence. Thoughts slow. The mind becomes spacious, allowing awareness to expand gently across the cosmic void. Even in regions that seem empty, cosmic radiation is present. It connects distant parts of the universe, reminding us that nothing exists in isolation. Every star, planet, and galaxy participates in this subtle network, moving together without conflict, without rush, in perfect harmony. As your breathing deepens, align with the slow rhythm of cosmic radiation. Let it wash over you, smoothing tension and calming thoughts. The universe itself becomes a gentle cradle, supporting the mind and body as they drift into deeper rest. Tonight, cosmic radiation flows silently, continuously, and evenly. It is a quiet companion to distant stars, nebulae, and galaxies. Within this invisible, pervasive glow, sleep comes naturally, effortlessly, and deeply, carried on the soft whispers of the universe. Even the largest events in the universe unfold with patience and grace. Galaxies, massive collections of stars, gas, and dark matter, sometimes drift close enough to interact. Yet these cosmic encounters are not chaotic bursts. They are slow, deliberate dances that take millions of years to complete. From a distance, the motion is gentle, a harmonious blending of structures across time. As two galaxies approach, their stars continue in careful orbits, rarely colliding directly. Gravity guides each one with quiet precision. Gas clouds stretch, fold, and swirl, creating subtle patterns of light and shadow. Nebulae may ignite with new stars, born softly as material shifts and compresses over eons. Even in apparent upheaval, there is calm purpose behind the motion. During these slow collisions, spiral arms stretch gracefully, forming arcs that glow faintly in the darkness. Tidal forces pull at the edges, creating streams of stars that drift away in long, flowing paths. Nothing happens suddenly. Every movement is measured, deliberate, and elegant. The universe choreographs these events with an effortless sense of balance. Over millions of years, galaxies may merge into one, forming a larger, more stable system. Black holes at their centers align, orbiting together until they too combine, but even this union unfolds gradually. There is no violence in the process as we perceive it from Earth. Instead, time stretches, allowing structure and harmony to persist. The vast emptiness surrounding these galaxies enhances their calm. Stars that drift between them have room to move without interference. Gas and dust settle into new orbits slowly, ensuring that the final structure is balanced and serene. Even when immense forces are at play, the universe maintains tranquility. Imagine drifting alongside these galaxies as they approach one another. Light from distant stars sparkles softly. Trails of gas curve like silk ribbons. Motion is constant, but never urgent. There is no rush, no jolt, only the steady unfolding of cosmic time. These interactions also create opportunities for life elsewhere. New stars form, planets develop, and matter spreads across the universe, nurturing potential without haste. The slow pace ensures stability, giving these regions time to evolve naturally. As your thoughts drift like the stars in these galaxies, you may notice the rhythm of their motion resonating with your own heartbeat. Each pulse matches the universe's gentle flow, easing tension and inviting calm. Even when collisions seem dramatic, they occur on scales far beyond immediate comprehension. Millions of years pass in silence. Motion continues with precision and patience. The cosmos demonstrates that even the largest changes can be harmonious and peaceful. Tonight, as distant galaxies slowly interact and merge, their motion is a lullaby for the mind. Their calm, deliberate dance reassures you that even change can be gentle and that sleep, like the universe, can unfold naturally and deeply. Around planets, smaller companions move with quiet grace, shaping the night sky in ways often unnoticed. Moons drift in steady orbits, circling their planets with calm precision. Rings of ice and dust shimmer softly, reflecting starlight in gentle, hypnotic patterns. These subtle movements are part of a greater rhythm that pervades the solar system, adding layers of beauty and balance. Each moon follows a predictable path, guided by gravity. Even the smallest, most distant moons maintain their orbits without disruption. Some are rocky, scarred by ancient impacts, while others are icy, smooth, or covered in frozen oceans. Their surfaces tell quiet stories of time, shaped over billions of years. Nothing is hurried. Everything evolves gradually. Rings around planets, like those of Saturn, are made of countless particles, each moving independently yet collectively forming intricate patterns. They glide in perfect harmony, never colliding chaotically, moving like dancers in a cosmic ballet. Light from the sun scatters softly across them, creating iridescent glows that drift slowly across the darkness of space. Some moons generate subtle effects on their planets. Tides rise and fall, atmospheres shift, and even geological activity can be influenced. Yet all of this occurs gently, over vast timescales, allowing ecosystems and stability to persist. The motion is never abrupt. It is measured, natural, and calming. Beyond the familiar moons of our solar system, countless others orbit distant exoplanets. These hidden worlds move in silence, unseen by human eyes, but their existence contributes to the universe's slow, harmonious rhythm. Even far from observation, their orbits are precise and serene. The interplay between moons, rings, and planets demonstrates cosmic balance. Every gravitational tug, every orbit, is part of a delicate choreography. Nothing is wasted, nothing abrupt. The universe moves as if in meditation, allowing patterns to emerge naturally, like waves forming on a quiet sea. Imagine drifting among these moons and rings as you relax. Icy fragments glint softly. Shadows stretch across craters. Rings flow gracefully, casting faint light across distant moons. Motion surrounds you, constant and reassuring, yet entirely gentle. Even the tiniest moons can hold surprises, frozen oceans beneath icy crusts, or gentle volcanic activity hidden from view. These quiet processes continue unnoticed, unfolding slowly over eons, adding to the subtle vitality of space. The rings themselves change imperceptibly. Particles shift, collide lightly, and reform patterns that seem eternal. They are both dynamic and peaceful, a paradox that the universe balances effortlessly. Observing their motion is like watching time itself flow smoothly, without resistance. As your breathing slows, imagine the soft glow of rings and the steady arcs of moons guiding your mind into calm reflection. Their quiet presence mirrors the gentle rhythm of your body, easing stress and inviting deep rest. Tonight, moons circle, rings shimmer, and planets move with serene certainty. In this hidden motion of the cosmos, sleep deepens, thoughts soften, and the universe's calm whispers lull you into peace. Scattered across galaxies are star clusters, groups of stars bound together by gravity, moving as one quiet ensemble. Some clusters are open, loose gatherings of young stars, while others are globular, densely packed with ancient stars that have endured for billions of years. Each cluster glows softly, like a calm constellation painted on the dark canvas of space. Within these clusters, stars move in harmony. Their orbits are gentle and predictable, each star influencing its neighbors without creating chaos. The motion is subtle, a quiet dance that unfolds over millennia. From afar, clusters appear as soft glimmers of light, a visual reminder of the universe's patience and balance. Open clusters are often home to stars still in their infancy. Their light is bright yet soft, emanating a sense of calm energy. Young stars twinkle faintly, releasing warmth and photons that drift slowly across space, touching distant worlds. Their existence is a gentle promise that creation continues quietly, without rush. Globular clusters, in contrast, are ancient. Their stars have lived for billions of years, shining steadily with a soft, golden hue. These clusters are tightly bound, their structure unchanging despite the passage of immense time. They are cosmic anchors, providing stability and serenity within the galaxy. Clusters also contain remnants of stellar evolution. Some stars have become white dwarfs, faintly glowing after long lives of steady nuclear fusion. Others may have produced neutron stars, compact and dense, yet moving predictably within the cluster. Even in transformation, the pace remains slow and peaceful. As you imagine drifting through a star cluster, light flows softly around you. Stars twinkle like distant lanterns, each on a gentle path that contributes to the overall harmony. There is no rush, no chaos, only the slow, deliberate rhythm of celestial motion. These clusters also influence their surrounding space. Gravity tugs gently on nearby stars and clouds of gas, guiding material with patience. Nebulae may form at the edges, illuminated by the soft glow of young or old stars. Change is constant, yet calm, as if the universe itself is breathing slowly. Star clusters remind us of the beauty of collective motion. Each star contributes to the whole, moving in balance with its neighbors. Even individual brilliance is tempered by the serenity of the group, creating a visual and emotional sense of calm. Your breath syncs with the movement of the cluster. Inhale as a young star shines. Exhale as an ancient star drifts along its orbit. Thoughts become scattered like distant starlight, yet they settle gently into the background, following the cluster's peaceful rhythm. Tonight, these star clusters continue their silent existence, each star contributing to a slow, luminous dance. Their steady glow and harmonious motion carry a sense of timelessness, lulling the mind toward rest and guiding sleep with the quiet majesty of the cosmos. Scattered across galaxies are star clusters, groups of stars bound together by gravity, moving as one quiet ensemble. Some clusters are open, loose gatherings of young stars, while others are globular, densely packed with ancient stars that have endured for billions of years. Each cluster glows softly, like a calm constellation painted on the dark canvas of space. Within these clusters, stars move in harmony. Their orbits are gentle and predictable, each star influencing its neighbors without creating chaos. The motion is subtle, a quiet dance that unfolds over millennia. From afar, clusters appear as soft glimmers of light, a visual reminder of the universe's patience and balance. Open clusters are often home to stars still in their infancy. Their light is bright yet soft, emanating a sense of calm energy. Young stars twinkle faintly, releasing warmth and photons that drift slowly across space, touching distant worlds. Their existence is a gentle promise that creation continues quietly, without rush. Globular clusters, in contrast, are ancient. Their stars have lived for billions of years, shining steadily with a soft, golden hue. These clusters are tightly bound, their structure unchanging despite the passage of immense time. They are cosmic anchors, providing stability and serenity within the galaxy. Clusters also contain remnants of stellar evolution. Some stars have become white dwarfs, faintly glowing after long lives of steady nuclear fusion. Others may have produced neutron stars, compact and dense, yet moving predictably within the cluster. Even in transformation, the pace remains slow and peaceful. As you imagine drifting through a star cluster, light flows softly around you. Stars twinkle like distant lanterns, each on a gentle path that contributes to the overall harmony. There is no rush, no chaos, only the slow, deliberate rhythm of celestial motion. These clusters also influence their surrounding space. Gravity tugs gently on nearby stars and clouds of gas, guiding material with patience. Nebulae may form at the edges, illuminated by the soft glow of young or old stars. Change is constant, yet calm, as if the universe itself is breathing slowly. Star clusters remind us of the beauty of collective motion. Each star contributes to the whole, moving in balance with its neighbors. Even individual brilliance is tempered by the serenity of the group, creating a visual and emotional sense of calm. Your breath syncs with the movement of the cluster. Inhale as a young star shines. Exhale as an ancient star drifts along its orbit. Thoughts become scattered like distant starlight, yet they settle gently into the background, following the cluster's peaceful rhythm. Tonight, these star clusters continue their silent existence, each star contributing to a slow, luminous dance. Their steady glow and harmonious motion carry a sense of timelessness, lulling the mind toward rest and guiding sleep with the quiet majesty of the cosmos. As our journey through space draws to a close, the universe stretches endlessly, filled with stars, galaxies, nebulae, black holes, and countless other wonders, all moving with gentle precision. There is no rush here, no urgency. Everything unfolds according to its own quiet rhythm, governed by gravity, time, and the laws of physics. This calm order pervades every corner of the cosmos, creating a sanctuary of peace that invites rest. Across unimaginable distances, light travels steadily, carrying warmth, color, and information from distant stars and galaxies. Cosmic radiation whispers softly through space, nebulae glow with gentle colors, and planets drift in measured orbits. Even the largest events, galaxies colliding, stars exploding, black holes forming, happen over millions or billions of years, preserving the universe's tranquility. The night sky above your world is a reflection of this vast, serene cosmos. Moonlight and starlight filter through Earth's atmosphere, softening shadows, painting landscapes in calming hues, and creating a gentle rhythm that mirrors the universe itself. Every photon carries a story, a reminder that time and motion are patient, measured, and consistent. As galaxies rotate, star clusters twinkle, and exoplanets glide along their orbits, you can feel the quiet pulse of the universe. Every celestial body, every particle of dust, every beam of light contributes to a balanced, harmonious flow. Nothing is forced, nothing abrupt. The cosmos teaches that rest is natural, that patience is part of creation, and that beauty unfolds without urgency. Imagine floating in the void of space, weightless and unhurried. Surrounding you are countless stars, nebulae, and galaxies, each moving gently, each radiating calm. The cosmic web stretches infinitely, invisible threads holding everything together, while gravity guides every motion with quiet authority. You are carried along effortlessly, embraced by the rhythm of existence itself. Even in the deepest darkness, the universe is alive with subtle motion. Asteroids drift, comets trace long arcs, and black holes anchor galaxies with patient strength. Time stretches, breathing expands, and space itself seems to cradle everything within it. There is a profound stillness here, a gentle continuity that encourages relaxation, reflection, and sleep. Your own body mirrors this cosmic calm. Breathing slows, thoughts drift lightly, and the mind becomes spacious. The heartbeat aligns with the universe's rhythm, and tension melts away. Like starlight crossing the cosmos, rest travels steadily through you, reaching every part of your being. The universe does not hurry. Stars shine for billions of years, galaxies rotate for eons, and black holes hold their sway quietly, demonstrating that power, energy, and change can all coexist with serenity. In this vast, eternal calm, you are safe, supported, and free to rest. Tonight, let the universe lull you into sleep. Drift gently with the motion of galaxies, float softly among stars, and breathe in harmony with the slow, eternal pulse of existence. Every light, every orbit, every distant whisper of cosmic energy carries you deeper into relaxation. As your eyelids grow heavier and your mind surrenders to the calm, remember that the universe itself is patient. It watches, it supports, it moves with grace. And in its endless serenity, you can rest completely, peacefully, and deeply. Your journey through the cosmos has come to its quiet conclusion. Sleep now, carried by the gentle embrace of the stars, the galaxies, and the vast, eternal calm of the universe.